BL9?
or something.
Alright. Will come soon.
Oh, but we got a new pianist today.
Oh yeah? Is it me?
No.
Did I get the gig without even knowing it?
Applying for it.
Yeah.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Yes. Thank you, Jules.
All right. Hey, this kind of works, right?
Indeed.
It's nice, right? Okay.
Today we have
Indeed.
Benjamin's lost brother. Oh yeah, right.
Fingies have been properly warmed up. Thank you, E flat major. Thank you, B flat major. Thank you, A flat major. And to all the other keys, we don't need you anymore. Except maybe D major.
I was expecting something.
Ah. That's E flat major. To me, it means God. It stands for God.
Lynn likes the color of your solo.
Ah, thanks, Lynn. What are you drinking today? Has she mentioned? Has she told us today?
Not yet.
We're waiting, Lynn.
Vamos esperar.
But it looks nice. I like it as well.
Nice.
Yeah, with a white T-shirt. Like.
Very nice.
Okay. Well, would you like to play piano?
Yeah, sure. Oh wait. Oh yeah, there's a secret. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining. Hi, Lynn.
Already ruining
Yeah, I know. Okay, I shake my
Ruining.
head.
Improving.
Wits, would you like to start with the solo?
Sure. What's the solo?
I don't know. Would you? Would you like to? Maybe something in Dutch, like one of the Ansbouter.
Just turning the sound off.
Anyway, hi Lynn.
Giving
Thank
a
you
big
for joining
fat
us
down
always.
like to what we're doing here.
Ah, right.
Just had a salted caramel hot
Heathens.
chocolate because it's so cold.
Oh, it's also cold here. Salted caramel chocolate. I also would like that. I will have to tell Marco to
Oh, you-
prepare me one.
I already liked it.
Oh,
apparently.
this angle. Oh no. Okay, so the lack of beard may not be my favorite thing. I look like I'm 5. This is much better.
Are there any women here today?
Anyway, guys, say hello. Let us know where you are watching from. Make sure you send it to somebody else to watch. It's going to be a lovely concert. If you have any requests, like you always do, then let us know. I don't know. Marco is also joining us.
Oh!
Marco is here.
Okay, this is precious. It's gonna be a nice concert.
Let's
Why?
see if we can find some nice Ansbouter.
Weeds will be shit posting for Marco.
Ah,
Shit posting.
Shit
Walking,
chatting.
walking doo-doo post. The Beatles. Maybe some Beatles in Dutch.
yeah.
Ja.
Yesterday.
Well, let's see which one.
Yeah,
Uh, she's got a ticket to a ride.
Oh, yes!
Yesterday, sure. Why not? Okay. So this is a Dutch translation of the Beatles song Yesterday. Translated, well, I mean, to Het ging zo goed. It went so well. Actually, this, well, we'll see. Het ging zo goed, geen problemen, alles even zoet. het spel met overmoed. Ik weet niet meer waar ik het zoeken moet. Oh, gisteren leek alles goed.
I hope you all heard that lovely rendizione. That's Italian, by the way, for Marco. I'm gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turn up the collar on my favorite way to call. The wind is blowing my mind. I see the kids in the street, not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their needs? The summer disregard, a broken bottle top, and a one-man soul. They follow each other on the wind, you know, 'cause they got nowhere to go. That's why I want you to know I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. I've been a victim of a different type of love. It's time that I realize there are some with no home. I got a nickel alone. Could it be really me pretending that they're not alone? A willow deeply scarred, somebody's broken heart, and a washed out dream. They follow the pattern on the wind, you see, 'cause they got nowhere to be. That's why I'm starting with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. Yesterday, all my trouble seems so far away. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. There we go. Thank you everybody for joining. I'm loving what's going on in the chat.
Yeah, the boys are being rowdy.
Just speaking facts.
Speaking facts.
Ah!
I
Mar-
speak facts.
Marco,
Oh, you didn't see that. Okay, never mind. Sorry. That's a reference that you don't even get. Oh my gosh. I speak
Oh.
facts.
Let
Okay.
me say I love Marco's answer.
which
you
was
have to end each sentence with pasta.
pasta. I do think that occasionally when Marco says "yeah, basta" to me, I really think he's just going "yeah, pasta," and I'm like,
Pasta!
Is this a normal,
but
like-
Which one?
stop or eat.
Oh,
Okay.
Lucinda!
Locindina.
Speaking
Lucinda.
of Italian.
What?
Luci-
Oh. What? Oh.
What?
That's what she's
Woo!
saying. What? Oh.
What?
Oh.
Anyway,
Is that water?
What? What?
It's just water in English accent.
What?
so we are gonna take a trip still down Nostalgia Lane.
Nostalgia Lane.
Joãozinho! Oh, Joãozinho! Muito no obrigado. Perdinho.
Muito no obrigado.
That's mine.
Sorry.
Muito no obrigado.
I can't go on stage without my thing.
Sorry, I took translate. To be fair, it's very similar.
Why didn't you buy different colored
Again?
ones?
Sorry?
Of all the
Why didn't
times
you
I
buy
picked-
different colored ones?
These were the nicest ones. It was also the other one was
Oh
even
my
more
god,
yellow.
now this doesn't smell like me anymore.
Ah,
Ugh.
ugh, get Benjamin
Smells
all
like
over
man.
it.
What the hell? Yeah.
So offended. Obviously smells like non-gender conforming humans.
Not
Fair enough.
conforming.
Take
Aw.
your non-gender conformity with you.
Conformonarchy. Anyway, Lucinda, lovely to have you with us.
Oh, Lucinda Dun.
Okay, guys, send this
Lucinda
to
Dun,
a lot of
Lucinda
people
Dun,
because we're gonna have a very nice ones.
Lucinda Dun, Lucinda Dun, Lucinda. Oh my god, still so difficult.
With
Lucinda Dun, Lucinda. Yeah.
Gil Giluna. Gilua.
Oh my god, this smells like Benjamin. What the hell?
For real?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I mean, there are worse things.
Is it? Do we have an arrangement for it?
Yeah.
Yes.
In English, right?
Bach. Wait.
Bach.
Wait. Montbach.
What?
German. Montbach.
I have no idea what you're saying to me.
Yeah,
right
I also
now.
have no idea. It's Moon River.
Oh my
I,
god,
uh,
Mont? Bach?
Okay. Well,
How is that Montbach?
yeah, I mean, yeah.
Moon
sure.
River.
I literally have no idea what you're saying to me right
Wait,
now.
do you have a score?
Thank you.
From now on, I will be identifying as a
Am I being
PlayStation.
stupid
Thank you.
right now?
I don't get the Bach. Why the Bach?
The Bach. It's like
Bach,
it's like a
river.
a big, a brook.
Oh, in German.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Bach
didn't,
means
I didn't know
river.
That.
Really?
Where is it?
I just know big.
Like if Bach was Portuguese, he would be called João Sebastião Ribeiro.
Ah, here it is. Amun Rivinho.
This is true.
I love that. I know it's
Ribeiro.
great.
João Sebastião Ribeiro. Yeah.
Johann Sebastian Bach.
Okay, maybe I should have said Bach, not the composer.
John Sebastian Bruck.
Ah, broke. Yeah.
Moon river, wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker. Wherever I'm going, you're going my way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows waiting round the bend. My huckleberry friend, Moon River, wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker. Wherever I'm going, you're going my way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the waiting round the bend. My huckleberry friend. Moon
Very nice, guys. Thank you so much. Wait, did you finish on a D or a C?
Right.
No, you should be on a C, right? Me.
Of all the wrong notes in this.
I told you, you guys are going to be singing seconds without realizing. You're like, la, yes, this is obviously just the normal bass tone. La, 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 la.
Oh yes.
That actually happens quite a lot.
Not in normal music.
Thanks, Marco. Marco approves.
Nice. Grazie mille, Marquino.
Mille. Double L.
Mille volte il giorno. Mille e così mille volte il giorno.
I just love how he's keeping up with the pasta thing. Should we say when we speak Portuguese feijoada in the end?
When I speak Cornish, I'll say pasty pasty.
Yeah, in Dutch you have to say stroopwafel.
Stumpot stumpot.
Stampot.
Stampot. Spengel.
Poffertjes. A tua cara é como uma canção. As tuas olhos doces. Ai, come on.
Yeah.
Improvise in Portuguese. Well, more or less. E quero cantar com você, contigo.
I'm gonna just say.
You can also.
Yeah. Okay. Are you finishing?
Sure.
Okay, right. First, words in Portuguese.
A tua cara é como uma canção. Os teus olhos doces que quero cantar contigo. As tuas feituras são de afinados. Cantamos juntos e cambiamos todos os meses a junho. A tua cara me faz humano feliz. Não mais cantar a capela, não mais sentir sozinho. Solo amar Thank you. Feijoada.
Oh, thank you.
Feijoada.
I have to do a better version of that.
Yeah.
In Dutch.
You may try in Dutch.
That's not working, I'm sure.
Jullie vlogen.
Okay, I'll sing it for rhythm. Your face is like a song. Your sweet eyes whisper, and I want to sing along. Your features are in tune. Let's sing together eternally. eyes whisper, and I want to sing along. Your features are in June. Let's sing together and turn every month to June. Your face arms makes me a happy fella. No, singing a cappella. No.
dreaming, I must be dreaming, or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take me in your arms, and though I'm wide awake and all my dreams are coming true, and oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time, and there I go. I just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you.
Magic,
Magic,
it must be magic.
magic.
The way I hold you when the night just seems to fly.
Night just seems to fly when I hold you.
Easy for you to take me to a star.
Hallelujah.
Heaven is that moment when I look into your eyes. Oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time, and there I go. Just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you.
Dreaming, I must be dreaming. Oh, am I really lying here with you? Baby, 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 you take me in your arms, and though I'm wide awake and all my dream is coming true, and oh, I just fall in love again. Oh, just one touch and then it happens every time, and there I go. Just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love. Down by the Sally Gardens, my love and I did meet. She passed the Sally Gardens with little snow white feet. She bid me take love easy as the leaves grow on the tree. But I, being young and foolish, with her would not agree. In a field by the river, my love and I did stand, and on my leaning shoulder she laid a snow-white hand. She bid me take love easy as the grass grows on the waves. But I was young and foolish, and now I'm full of last line. But I was young and foolish, and now I'm full of Very nice. Thank you, boys. Thank you, Lucinda. Thank you, Marquino. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Remember to leave a like, to subscribe, to compliment me on the beautiful lack of beard and sarong.
Lack of beard and lack of sarong.
No, lack of beard, comma, and sarong. Well, not a comma.
Oh, okay. But
well,
still doesn't make
The sarong
sense.
and the lack of beard. Thank you, boys.
This is why we need the Oxford comma, people.
Oxford comma represent.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yes,
guys,
Lucinda, you're right. Oh, camera's there. It's a traditional Portuguese dish.
meaning beans and pork.
Please, can you confirm?
That was Joao's name in Lama.
Oh my god, what?
No. We're online. Thank you everybody for joining Xenu. Why is this not charging? Let's head
Why
to.
is this not charging?
It was a little bit deep.
That's me. Why is this not charging?
Where'd I get all that money from? Okay, boys, medley Xenu. I only have ojos para ti, and before the 6.
It's very good, Lucinda.
Yes, please.
É
Ask-
muito bueno.
Ask your Portuguese friends from the embassy.
É super lekker.
Yeah.
Yes,
You know Lucinda?
Vizinho,
Oh, sorry.
I only have eyes for you, and before the 6.
Ah,
Lucinda did a concert in the Portuguese embassy. in
Did
London.
she?
Yeah.
When?
She texted me.
Oh, Lucinda.
With music written by Portuguese composers.
Oh, that's so nice.
It's very nice.
I'm back.
No.
No.
Is it Christmas already? Which one is it? Oh, Holy Night. What is it? The angel.
This one's for you, Jesus. Oh my God.
Solo tengo para ti. No te das cuenta, no lo has notado. Y te quiero más de lo que aún puedo decir. Y yo solo tengo ojos para ti. Luz del tiempo para ti. Vaya manía de estar a tu lado. Y lo eterno cabe en tu minuto enamorado. Y yo solo tengo ojos para ti. Te veré como siempre en el rincón donde guardo el corazón y tan solo vives tú.
Y aunque el mar pierde una orilla,
Él comenzó su partida. Solo tendré ojos para ti.
Solo te te quiero más de lo que puedo decir. Y yo solo tengo ojos para ti. Te veré como siempre en el rincón donde guardo el corazón y tan solo vives tú.
Y aunque el mar pierde una orilla y comenzó su partida,
Solo tendré ojos para ti.
ojos para ti.
Solo tengo ojos para usted. Solo para ti.
Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. No actúes tan extraño, duro como una roca. Si te mostré pedazos de piel que la luz de sola no toca. Y tantos lunares que ni yo mismo conocía. Te mostré mi fuerza bruta, mi talón de Aquiles, mi poesía.
Dejarás
Solo en
una historia más que haré
si no te
te
vuelvo
vuelva
a
a
ver.
ver.
Si desde el día en que no estás, vi la noche llegar mucho antes de las 6. Si desde el día en que no estás, vi la noche llegar mucho antes de las 6. Mucho antes. No dejes el barco tanto antes de que zarpemos hacia alguna isla desierta y después veremos.
Si me desarmado,
Porque lanzas tus misiles. Si ya conoces mis puntos cardinales, los más sensibles y sutiles, dejarás la vida, lo dirá hoy. Thank you, boys.
Thank you.
Beautiful song. Thank you, Lochinda. Thank you. I have no idea what it was referenced to because
Nice.
we're watching it.
Last chord. Nice. Thanks, Lucinda. Lucinda, I mispronounced your name. Lucinda, for being so active. It's
Yeah.
very nice.
Thank you, Lochinda, for communicating with us.
If my mum is watching, she is heartily invited. Hard to look. She is warmly
She's
invited to
heartily
also
invited.
say something. Maybe if Benjamin's mum is watching or Benjamin's sister.
It's true.
Oh yeah.
Who else is watching? Pia Renner. She usually
Yeah,
posts
Pia
something
sometimes.
if.
Yeah, guys, say hi. Dons the comments.
Yeah, we like it. Gives us energy.
Let me just say that Lucinda just called herself a silly sausage in a text that she sent.
Silly sausage.
No, because she sent me the concert in the Portuguese embassy. And she told me.
A concert in the Portuguese embassy
Yeah, she played in the Portuguese embassy.
in England.
Yeah, in London. Yeah,
Oh, that's cool.
with music written by Portuguese composers.
Yeah.
And then she told me,
Ah, that's cool.
I forgot to send it. What a silly sausage I am.
Silly
Sorry
sausage.
for
No toning down the interaction, Lucinda.
Sorry
Ah,
for
no.
revealing our private conversation, but I thought this was very
Silly sausage.
funny.
Gek worstje.
And now we're going to sing for Daisy.
Nice.
Yeah, okay. Two complicated chords
Yeah, okay.
for tonight.
Yeah, okay.
Brain no work.
Brain no work, sir.
Brain no work. Wake up. Oh no. I'm very pretty with my hand like this. Anyway, okay. Whew. Oh, we still have another hour to go. It's going slowly today for me.
Less than an hour.
Oh, 50 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm going to regret. No, Lucinda. We want as much interaction as possible.
I feel like having some limoncello actually, like or something like liquor.
Okay.
Liqueur.
Liquor? Liquor.
Like choir.
Yeah, even though I have a long day tomorrow, but if I work hard, that means I have to relax hard as well.
Exactly.
Everyone knows that.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer, do. I'm half crazy over the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford the carriage.
Give me your answer now. I'm half crazy over the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage, but you'll look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle lit for two.
What have I done? Jesus.
graad of 30, het is winter in Vrikhout. De paarden hoeven knersen in de pas gevallen sneeuw. Het is avond in Siberië en nergens is een leeuw. The song is 16 verses. What's the opening song from Aladdin? Zal ik even Antoninho, os teus rodos constantes como uma sinfonia celestial.
How could we?
Is it Lucinda? Is it Prince Ali, how could it be all your
Isn't it the one where the guy tells the story of like, oh, but there's a magic lamp, blah 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 blah. I have no idea how it goes, but I think it's like
Arabian Night. Yeah. Oh wait,
is that yeah? Alright.
Lucinda. If you send me the sheet music, I will do it.
We will do it.
We will do it.
Yeah.
Spontaneous harmony.
Oh, say for Prince
Oh, it's
Ali.
to... Oh, it's so goed, man. Opzij.
Do you have the Dutch version? Is blij Ali. Arabian Nights.
Oh, I come from a land, from a far away place where there's caravan carols.
Send it, send it.
Yeah.
Then we can do it together.
3 parts. But where do I send it to? Dove lo sendo.
Well, we have a Dropbox where we can.
Yeah, but do you have access to the Dropbox?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, well,
Prince
I've
Ali.
been in there the entire
good
time.
point. In where?
In the
That's
Dropbox.
the
Ah.
drive. Not
It's
Oh,
the
well,
drive.
okay.
C'est le drive, not the
It's all the same. It's internet.
Dropbox.
Dropbox.
Box.
Na-na-na-na-na.
Dropbox.
Box.
Box.
I'm gonna put it on the card.
Card.
Hey, Yod, say
Okay. Okay.
Yod, say card. Card.
Card. Okay. Okay.
Wait, I
Okay.
can't put it in the drive because it's just a. I can.
Okay. Well, then email it to me.
He who must not be named.
To me.
We also have a request from the. Yes, it's the Arabian Nights.
Oh my God.
Lucinda, don't worry.
640
We have
emails.
the
We have a request from Maria.
Maria. Que quere Maria que cantamos?
Chutes e pontapés.
Oh my God.
For real?
But it's one song called Maria.
Okay. Can you find the quotes?
Mm.
Okay.
Do you know people who have like 1,000 unread emails?
Yes.
Maybe.
That's Marco.
I don't understand how people can live like that.
I literally can't.
I just don't understand.
I'll show you my inbox.
I
right
certainly
now.
don't understand how people can
Look
live
at
with
my inbox right now.
1,644 unread emails.
That's very specific.
Yeah. Well, it is pretty specific. 1,645. Okay, but now. Oh my gosh. Bum, 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 bum. Howard Ashman. From a land, from a faraway place where the caravan camels roam.
Boom.
Where it's flat and immense and the heat is intense. It's barbaric, but hey, it's home. When the wind from the east and the suns from the west and the sand and the glass is right, the Okay. Oh, this song is 49 pages. What the?
I guess that's not just one song.
Oh, it's. Oh, cool. Okay, it's all the songs. Nice. I guess.
Joe,
Sure.
you're doing the things.
Yeah.
Can you also scroll though?
Yeah.
Just give you a million things to do at once. Okay.
While holding the stick. Hey, stop it.
Wids is getting emotional at the thought of singing.
Ah.
Are you gonna cry again?
Yeah, Wids?
Yeah, I have to sneeze.
Oh,
It'll
we need
come
to-
when
we
it
need to-
comes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I come from a land, from a faraway place where the caravan camels roam.
You want me to do like the melody or harmonies or whatever I feel like doing?
Just whatever you feel like.
Okay.
We can also just do 2-part medley.
I'll
as in-
I'll think of something nice to do.
Okay, I can. Okay, let's. If it's low, I'll do harmony. If it's high, you do harmony.
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck to us.
Oh, I come from a land, from a faraway place where the caravan camels roam, where it's flat and immense and the heat is intense and it's barrack, but hey, it's home. Where the winds from the east and the suns from the west and the sand in the glass is right. Come on down to the my cup of carpet to find another Arabian night. Arabian nights like Arabian days. More often than not, harder than hard, but a lot of good ways. Arabian nights.
His guard could fall off and hard out there on the juice. Gotta keep one jump ahead of the bad line, one swing ahead of the saw. I still only what I can afford. That's everything. One jump ahead of the lawman. That's all, and that's no joke. These guys don't appreciate I'm broke. Riff raff, street man, etc. etc.
Hey, what is that?
It's an.
Schooier, straatrad. That's everything.
We can do some of these. I would like to hear you sing with "Friend Like Me."
Okay. Which page?
But you know it well enough. You could also do it in Dutch, huh? Do you know it? Well, Alibaba had them 40 rings.
No.
But I just mean, at some point it would be nice. Yeah, here we are, Prince Ali. Make way for Prince Ali. Okay. Oh yeah, my Portuguese was
No, I'm laughing because of it.
Chasing Visiones.
Sure. People often wonder why I look so tired. I've been chasing old sweet memories, memories of you, scattered and few. I'm chasing them most of the time. Clouds are now invading. Memories once sky blue. Midnight visions once in color, now black and white, fading from sight. I'm chasing them most of the time. Sometimes I'm lucky here in the night. I see your brown eyes as my memory takes flight, carried away in visions of yesterday, and I'm with you one more time.
Nice. Well
So
done,
nice.
Witzinho.
Thank you. Porquê escapas? Silva. Who's Guida? That's your...
My mom.
Ah, right.
Porquê?
Porquê escapas? Porque
Por
não?
que não?
Porque não,
Não são
Guida?
capas, mãe.
Porque não escapas?
São sarongos.
Sarongos.
Yeah?
São sarongos. Sarongos.
The worst.
A Maria quer a Maria dos Ksutos.
Did you send me the thing, João?
What's Ksutos?
Thank you, Lucinda Donna.
Hey, what's Ksutos?
Hey.
What?
Hey, you. Hey, tu. What's Ksutos?
I don't know. What's Ksutus?
Marta Silva says, a Maria quer a
Oh,
Maria dos
chutos.
Ksutos.
Chutos.
Chutos. What's chutos?
Chutes e pontapés. It's a band. Rock band.
Oh, okay, okay. Porquê escapas?
Okay.
As capas.
Why the capes?
Yeah.
They're not capes. Não são capas.
Okay, we have to sing a Portuguese.
Eu sou
the-
uma babusca.
You do like look like one.
Yeah, I hear. Well,
Uma vozinha.
I didn't hear because
Uma
that's
vozinha.
insensitive towards
Hey.
the people that I was.
Uma vozinha.
Uma
A vozinha.
avozinha.
Yeah.
What's that? A grandma.
Yeah.
Avozinha.
No, it's
Een omaatje.
Okay, let's do a little medley, boys,
Medley
and then
boys.
we do the thing.
Yeah.
Vitmunguinho.
Vitmunguinho.
O Anthony Vitmunguinho.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
It does look very
It
good.
looks so good. So cool.
Okay, Vitmung
Sure. Where is it?
in the box, I guess.
In the box.
Box in the drive. Vitmunguinho. Box. Rossignolinho, because Marco wanted us to sing in Portuguese.
Ah.
Hey, that's rude in so many levels.
Exactly. he was with a
Hey.
Portuguese friend and he was like, "Hey, listen to this song," and she showed them the version, and then they were like, "This is, I guess it's Galician."
I mean, fair enough.
Eh.
Yeah, and then
Galician is more.
I don't see Vitmung.
maybe it's not in the drive.
Galician is. Still, I wouldn't call it Galician. I think. I mean, fair enough.
No, not really. It's
Rather
not-
Galician than Spanish,
yeah,
for sure.
For sure. Okay, wait, it's in
For
the
sure.
drive.
And I find it very interesting. Like sometimes I'm speaking with Marcel, and how many words we in common we have, like loads of them.
Yeah,
Like literally a million.
literally like 10.
Vitmung, right?
Yeah,
Where?
I just uploaded it. Did you refresh?
Yeah, I did.
Refresh again.
And again.
Enhance. Hey, there's a new one, so that's good.
There's a
The park. She
What are
likes
we
how
doing?
I so we can do some crazy ex-girlfriend stuff still.
I'm tired of hearing that, but I never saw it.
I have friends. I definitely have friends. Objectively, I can say that I have all the friends. I have friends. I definitely have friends. Friends. Time to meet my friends. Yeah, time to meet my friends.
So,
I'm
Vitmung-
João.
Ha!
Benjamin. Marco. And I really, really like pasta.
But pasta or basta?
Basta.
Well, who knows? Maybe both.
Basta.
Okay, Vitmunguinho, Rossignolinho, and nice.
Say no more.
Happy birthday.
Say no more.
Também.
Também. That's how we speak in Portuguese.
Assim falamos no português. Assim fala João quando é no caso.
Está.
Your
Damn.
está. Boa noite, Benjamin. Actually,
Bonjour.
boa noite. Oh, meu Deus. Boa noite, Benjamin.
Eu não sei, por quando eu falo brasileiro, eu não consigo parar de falar assim. Oh, meu Deus. Sente-se Benjamin.
Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Wohnung, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, du, darein ich schwebe, oh du mein Grab, in das hinab ich ewig meinen Kummer gab. Du bist die Ruhe, du bist der Friede. Du bist vom Himmel mir erschienen. Dass du mich liebst, macht mich mir wert. Dein Blick hat mich vor mir verklärt. Du hebst mich liebend über mir. Mein guter Geist, mein besseres Ich. Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Wohnung, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, du, darein ich schwebe, mein guter Geist, mein besseres Ich.
Russignol, che passa Francia, Russignol, ancora mala mara Russignol, d'un bel po' scaccia Russignol, d'un
Con mane mala mare Russignol, Jamon barno pascaire Russignol, Don bel boscace Russignol, perché mama malinana Russignol, un pastor menava Russignol, d'un bel boscace Russignol, che far guarda la ramada Russignol, e perduta la scagliata Russignol, d'un bel boscace Russignol, d'un alba kerma l'atrapata Russignol, Bacher torna ma la cabra Russignol, d'un bel boscace Russignol, d'un de meine Signor, quantenen pavolen formaggia rossignol, non belli moscaggia rossignol, rossignol, che vas a fazer rossignol, quel comane mele rossignol, non bel moscaggia rossignol, quando sono solo e sogno all'orizzonte manca le parole. Sì, lo so che non c'è luce in una stanza e quando manca il sole, se non ci sei tu con me, con me. Sulle finestre mostra a tutti il mio cuore che hai acceso, chiudi dentro me la luce che hai incontrato per strada. Con te partirò, paese che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te. Adesso sì li vivrò con te. Suonavi per mare che io lo so, no, non esistono più, con te io li vivrò. Cuando estás muy lejos sueño un horizonte falto de palabras y yo sé que siempre estás ahí, ahí, una luna hecha para mí. Siempre te iluminas para mí, por mí, por mí, por mí. Por ti volaré. Espera que llegaré. Mi fin de trayecto eres tú. Contigo say Ah, Lynn loves this song. Glad you enjoyed it, Lynn. And thank you for Lucinda. The songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy we're bringing.
Lucinda, Lucinda, Dun Lucinda, Dun Lucinda, Dun Lucinda,
Lucinda, Lucinda, Lucinda, Lucinda, Lucinda, Dun Lucinda, Dun Lucinda, Dun Lucinda, Dun Lucinda, Dun Lucinda, Dun Lucinda.
Lucinda, Dun Lucinda, Dun Lucinda, Lucinda, Dure, Lucina, Dule, Lucinda. What the hell was that? Lucinda, Dun, Lucinda, 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 Lucinda,
My favorite standard jazz big band.
Marco Iovili, Marco I like it.
I really like it. I think we should, for all of our like regular watchers and donors, we should
Like
do like
organ donators.
or like an organ donor. Yeah, we should do a song.
Oh, that explains
My
the
kidneys!
weird. That explains the weird. Okay.
Okay. What does your family want? Did you send it to me?
Yeah.
Olá, porquê escapas?
What's up?
Olá.
What's love got to do
Por
with
que
it?
escapas? What does your mom sound like? How does
Not like
she,
that.
that what she speaks like?
Oh, I'm sorry. That's a very good question. I don't think I can do my mom's voice.
I think I would have trouble as well.
Yeah.
Marco, you have a great last name to put into a song.
Immobili. Is it? Oh, it's also double M, right? Immobili.
Immobile. It's very cute. Whenever he picks up the phone and he has to say stuff, and it's just Marco Immobile. Yeah, I'll spell it.
Immobili. Marco, let us know in the comments if this is enough double consonants for an Italian.
João,
Eu.
how?
De Bragança a Lisboa são 9 horas de distância. Queria ter avião para lá ir mais a miúdo. Dei cabo da tolerância, rebentei com 3 radares. Só para te ter mais perto, só para te dar. E sai agora, eu vou correndo, eu vou embora, eu vou correndo, eu vou embora, eu vou correndo para ti.
So how does it actually go?
Yes, that's basically.
That's literally the song.
Also with the piano in that.
Imagine if you do it like with a football stadium. It's time to say
Vibe.
goodbye.
It's just a rose.
For real?
That's exactly what I was saying.
Can we?
Yeah. De Bragança a Lisboa são 9 horas de distância. Queria ter avião para lá ir mais a miúda. Dei cabo da tolerância, rebentei com 3 radares só para te ter mais perto, só para tu te dares. E saio agora, e vou correndo, e vou-me embora, e vou correndo, já não demora, e vou correndo para ti. Maria, Maria. Outra vez vim de Lisboa num comboio acelerado, nem maquina tinha ainda, já estava atrasado. Dei comigo agarrado ao ponteiro mais pequeno e tudo certeza à espera, tremulante no feno. E vou-me embora, e vou correndo, e não demora, e vou correndo, já não demora, e vou correndo para ti. Maria, Maria. Seja de noite ou de dia, trago sempre na lembrança a alegria, o cheiro da tua trança. De Bragança a Lisboa são 9 horas de distância. Queria ter avião para lá ir mais a miúda. E vou embora, e vou correndo, e vou-me embora, e vou correndo, já não demora, e vou correndo para ti. Maria, 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 Maria,
I knew Cisco would be there.
We finally played Chutus.
Ah, Anne. Okay, right.
Oh yeah. Maria. Oh, the name I just said like.
Yeah, I heard. Parabéns pela canção. Obrigado.
Parabéns, Maria. Maria. Ei, Maria, 18 anos.
Who's Maria?
He's my cousin.
Yeah. Nicht.
Benjamin's friend. Nee.
Is she your nemesis? Secretly?
No, it's,
No, she was really lovely to me when we were there.
Ah, was she the
Yeah.
older
Yeah.
older daughter of where you slept?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maria. Obrigada. So, how old is she now?
18.
18.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
that's a big one.
The
Feliz
majority-
18.
Oh, so cute.
8.
Feliz
18,
cumpleaños,
18.
Maria. Vamos a cantar
Parabéns
pra você.
com a
Wait.
tua
Go back to the.
18.
Hey.
18.
How come we have 14 people watching and only 5 likes? And no dislikes?
Yeah,
what the hell?
hecking heck?
What the hecking heck?
Interact with our video.
Interact right now. Em português,
It
ponham
helps.
like no vídeo.
Helps the
Faz
algorithm.
sabor.
Ajuda ao algoritmo.
Algoritmo.
After this, did you get the message, Ju?
Uh,
Oh,
my phone is in my bag.
Ah,
so-
okay. You just happy birthday in Portuguese.
Oh,
Learn
God.
Yeah, but it's
Learn
really difficult to find it because it's always.
Portuguese.org.
Oh, no. Maybe send it in an email. Yeah. Parabéns or felicidades.
Felicidades.
Oh, man, that jumped fast.
Nice, thank you,
Okay.
everybody. Make sure you are
Cool.
subscribed to the channel.
Also. Oh, your thing is Não se esqueçam de subscrever o canal.
E
Tem-
donar no Patch Off.
Tem um botãozinho ali ao lado. Deixa-me ver se tem aqui.
Parabéns.
Eu vou mostrar na câmara.
Menina Maria. Uma salva. Okay.
I have no idea what's going on.
But I'm going to show the...
Maria José. Mary Joseph Jesus. Is that
Oh, really?
honestly her name?
Yeah.
Wow. That's so cool. Maria José Jesus. Wow.
Cliquem em subscrever.
E donar no Patch Off. João vai dizer como fazê-lo.
Fazê-lo.
Clicam no link no Google Tradutor e depois seguem as instruções que estão lá escritas.
Antonio says ok.
Ok.
Ok. That's how we write in Portuguese.
Ok.
Okay. Everybody can join us singing Happy Birthday for Maria.
Maria José Jesus.
Yeah.
This in Bossa Nova. And then English, normal, and then Dutch.
Wait, what?
This,
This
in
in
Portuguese.
Bossa Nova?
Yep. Go.
Parabéns a você. Oh, but wait. Stop. Then we have to do it in Brazilian. With Brazilian accent.
With this, but with Brazilian accent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you
Parabéns a você.
can you speak it once?
Parabéns a você nesta data querida. Muitas felicidades, muitos anos de vida.
Felicidades.
Felicidades.
That's like the only thing that's different, right? Gia. Gia
Hoje
de
é
festa.
dia-
Parabéns a você
Dia de
nesta
festa.
data querida.
Okay.
Muitos anos de
Gata.
Parabéns a você nesta data querida. Muitas felicidades, muitos anos de vida. Hoje é dia de festa, canta nas nossas almas. Para a menina Maria, uma salva de palmas.
That's the song. En Maria die is jarig en de vlaggen hangen uit. Ei, 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 en we zijn zo blij. Want Maria die is jarig en dat vieren wij. When we sang the Dutch
Happy
version.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Maria.
Muitas felicidades no seu cumpleaños.
Felicidades, Maria José Jesus. I was thinking when we did the Dutch version,
Yeah.
lang zal ze leven, lang zal leven, lang zal leven, in G Gloria. Next
In
time.
G Gloria.
In G Gloria, in G Gloria, in G Gloria,
Gloria.
in G
Right?
Gloria,
Double A.
Gloria. How's going?
Gloria.
How's it going, Pedro? Olá, mano.
How's going?
Como vas?
Going.
Como vas?
Sup.
Que fixe? Como fixe? Tudo fixe? I don't know.
Tudo fixe is
The
it.
Portuguese people are,
Tudo fixe, mano.
finally being released into the comment section.
The stratosphere. Oh, it's already 1:10.
Oh my gosh.
Almond
Okay,
milk.
one very sad song to finish off.
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah, because what Portuguese? We don't know any three-voice Portuguese. Oh yeah, we do. Okay,
What were you thinking?
I don't know, just something relatively quick. Se dia alguém pergunta por mim, diz que vivi pra te amar. Antes de você só existi, cansado e sem nada pra dar. Meu bem, ouve as minhas preces. Eu peço que regresses, que me voltas a querer. E eu sei que não se ama sozinho. Talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Meu bem, ouve as minhas preces. Peço que regresses, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho. Talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Se o teu coração não quiser ceder, não sentir paixão, não quiser sofrer, sem fazer planos do que virá depois. O meu coração pode amar pelas dois.
I
That was
mean,
very fun.
if we're singing Portuguese, we're singing everything in Portuguese.
Oh, that's why. 'Cause it was written as like it sounded like a Portuguese.
Like a Jewish harp. Jew harp.
Oh, it was Lucinda loves that song. Sorry, we
Which
may
one
have.
was it?
You're welcome.
Yeah, you're very
Yeah.
welcome. Se um dia alguém
Benjamin, tell us they need to give us money. Well, that we would like for them to give us money.
Who?
The
Them.
people.
Ah, can you do it?
Ah, yes. Yes, I thought of a very good way this week.
Ah.
okay.
But,
Subscribe to our OnlyFans for more.
yeah.
Hey.
I might elaborate.
Well, you have to say things like, it really helps us. Oh, but you say that every week, so
What?
maybe that it really helps us out, really helps the channel. But there was another. It was really sort of a very kind, but very clear way of saying, hey, this doesn't happen for free, so any help is appreciated, even if it's one time €5 or maybe something that can be a bit more substantial every month would be very welcome. We appreciate any and everything.
This is absolutely true. And what helps us out the most are the monthly payments. Even if it's 5-10 euros, which is buying each of us a coffee per month.
In the Netherlands, yes.
In the Netherlands, yeah.
No,
Noorlanden. Yeah. Because it's very important for us to
drink coffee.
for us to drink coffee, but also know how much is coming in. So if you feel like you can give 5 or 10 euros a month, that is also very important, and we know what is coming in rather than the one-off payments are fantastic, of course, and we will never say no to them.
I mean, we're okay with one-off payments of 200 or more
No, but for real,
every week.
if you can do it, then that would be absolutely awesome.
I mean, you gotta have the nerve to say this shit.
I mean, someone might respond to it, but
What is Lucinda?
well,
Lucinda's sending us videos.
oh,
Yeah, you know.
we're working,
No
Lucinda.
sound in the video. When we sang Lucinda,
Cute.
Did she post it on Instagram or something?
No, she just sent it.
posted on Instagram.
Oh, Lucinda, you are the cutest.
Cute.
Cutest.
Ah, Maria, Ginade.
Gina. Oh, you so bad.
Yeah, anyway, guys,
Whatever.
like, subscribe, give us all your puli on Patch It Off, preferably as a recurring payment. Lobby for everybody who does that already.
This one was for Maria. You're very Ginada Dunad. You're very welcome. Happy birthday. And you were saying something as well.
Well, yeah, and give us money. Don't get corona. Have a
Yeah.
good week. See you next week.
Stay negative.
Stay negatief.
Get it?
Huh?
Stay negative.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Come back next week for more of that hilarious hit
Gaiety.
humor. Yeah.
Tomfoolery and gaiety.
Yeah.
Oh, what a winning combination. Joel's just on Instagram. Joel,
No,
bro,
look
can
at
you
this.
stop? What? No, you are on
Look
Instagram.
at this.
Yes, I know. Who is it?
I guess
I
he's
want
Portuguese.
to know.
Boys are browsing memes again. We're still online, you know. Include me.
Se dia alguém
Feijão
And
Gonçalo.
split after the thing.
Wow.
que vive
Yeah, that's very good.
Nice. Cool.
antes de ti.
It's
Só
Portuguese.
exististe.
Gonçalo Feijão.
Antes de ti.
Antes.
Okay, this is especially for Benjamin.
Nah, it's... I
Man, that's... Oi, bro.
I found that very funny. So. Okay,
Oh.
time to go home.
Swipe.
Hey, this guy lives in my building.
No.
Really? Yeah, he's
Why
my-
have you not given him my number?
He's my downstairs neighbor. He's loud.
I.
But I'm sure he's nice.
He's very
but I think-
beautiful.
I think
Go,
he
go,
lives
go.
in my building.
Go.
We call this thirst trap. Going now.
Oh my god, going natural. It is very well thought.
Feijão.
Pizza in my tummy, miso. I don't know if I'm going to have a beer with Ella.
Huh?
I don't know if I'm having a beer with Ella.
Okay.
So, should we go offline maybe?
Yeah. I don't know.
Still 11 people watching, but hey, that's not bad. In fact, Well, I'm going to answer some emails now, so
If you please.
yeah.
Joao, can you take us offline, please?
Oh.
Like,
Oh, I did get the
memo.
memo.
muito obrigado para ver o concerto.
Pra ver.
Thank you and see you next week.
Lots of lobby.
Lobby papi.